We're back in the woods, and we got a whole crew here to help with this project. Can this bridge be saved? That is a question we're going to answer on today's episode. So this bridge has been here for a while, but in the last flood that we had, it was probably 2 weeks ago, it almost got taken out. You can see the water was way over top of it. And after that flood, the way it washed in, the water was actually running over top of this bridge. So I had to go in here and dig all this out, get it to flow underneath it again. But you can see it's still a mess. So what I want to do today is get this in, lift it back up, and hopefully I can get some big rocks underneath it and level it again and get it cleaned up. We got a missing board here. We're under a little bit of a time crunch because they're saying high winds moving in by 1 o'clock. So if at some point I switch to music in this video, it's because the audio track's been ruined by the wind. So better get started. Okay, well, I'm discovering that apparently this whole bridge shifted downstream, because as I got this lifted up, it was obvious this tree was in the way, and it wasn't that way before. So this whole end has to come up to there. If you look, there's almost nothing under this bridge on this end, just sitting on some roots. So I'm going to work a little bit more, get this kind of cleaned out so I get a sense of what I'm working with. But this is obviously going to be a 2-day project. The good news is the bridge can totally be saved. No question there. It's just this thing is heavy. We've got to shift it up this way. So that isn't going to do it. I need the actual spud bar, which I'll bring back tomorrow. Let me do a little more work and we'll call it an afternoon. All right, I think that gives us a pretty good sense of what we're working with now. Need to bring back some big nails to put into this so I can just lift this whole thing up by that cross member right there. And I'll just take a spud bar and rock it up slowly over in this direction. Then we'll go back and correct this end, lift it up even more. You can see it's still sloping downwards. And we should be done. So as of yet, I don't know if this is going to be a 3-part video or a 2-part video, but we'll be back here tomorrow with a couple more tools, see what we can get done. Can't forget this. All right, thank you for watching day 15. See you back again tomorrow.